I'm Meteorologist Alex O'Brien, and this is Taking Science by Storm at Home Edition. Today's topic is thunderstorms. We'll demonstrate how they form with a simple at-home experiment. So let's get started. Definition: convection. The movement caused within a fluid by hotter, less dense material rising and colder, denser material sinking under the influence of gravity, which results in transfer of heat. Experiment time. Let's demonstrate convection at home with a large and small jar, red food coloring, aluminum foil or plastic wrap, and a rubber band. First, put very cold water with ice in the large jar about 3/4 full. Add the food coloring to the small jar and very hot water. Cover the small jar with your plastic wrap or foil and secure with the rubber band. You'll place the small jar in the large jar and then cut a few slits in the barrier. Observe how the hot water rises to the top and the cold water stays at the bottom. In the atmosphere, convection is the driving force of thunderstorm development. The day will start warm and humid, creating low-density air. That air will rise, creating convection. After it rises to a lower pressure and colder air, it will condense and make clouds. Strong convection will make strong thunderstorms. Once there is only cold, dense air present, convection will end and the thunderstorm will dissipate. Air density can also demonstrate how cold and warm fronts work. Because cold air is more dense, when a cold front moves in, it will undercut the warm air and force it to rise over the frontal boundary. This can often create strong convection and thunderstorms. In a warm front, the approaching warm air will gradually rise over the cold air, creating widespread clouds and rain. In fact, the only reason we have weather at all is to create balance in the atmosphere. When we have different air temperatures or densities, things like fronts will form or thunderstorms, and that's the atmosphere's way to reach equilibrium once again. That's all for this episode of Taking Science by Storm. If you wish to learn more about the atmosphere, just search KOAA.com, Taking Science by Storm, and you'll see all the episodes. I'm Meteorologist Alex O'Brien. See you next time.